Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, present tense about engineering of seaweed aquaculture. For understanding seaweed culture method. Okay. For Mr. Faris, next. Okay, this is our team. Muhammad Faris Nur Rahman, Fadli Rizkia Kamil, and Reza Rizanovianri. Next. Okay, I will teach about engineering of seaweed aquaculture. Seaweed is one of fisheries commodities with high prospects and how increasingly cultivated because it provides many benefits. Its use cover various sectors ranging from pharmaceuticals, cosmetic, or food ingredients in Indonesia. Most widely cultivated species are Gracilla sp and Euchema sp. Gassiria sp, which belong to reed algae family, is known as agar producer agarophyte, while Isemia sp is a seaweed that produce carrageenan or carrageenophyte. Engineering of seaweed culture itself is a technical approach to designing, managing, and optimizing seaweed cultivation activities. Its main focus is seaweed highly values and used for food, cosmetic, and pharmaceuticals. And the main focus is another one. The main types of cultivation in Indonesia are Gracilla sp. agar and Euchema sp. or Carrageenan. Okay, Mr. Faris next. Okay, this is a stage of seaweed cultivation ya. Mm, Provision of seedlings. If the distance is close to cultivation site, the seeding can be transported by canoe, but must be covered with tarp. Next is keep the seed moist by watering them with seawater. If the seed are not planted immediately, that they should be restored in prepare seed bin. Okay, next, Mr. Faris. Okay, Mr. Faris, you can explain about how the method. Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Reja. This is I will des- describe about bottom method. So, in this method, seaweed seedings are tied and then spread to the seabed. It can also be done by tying seaweed seedings to coral reefs. The bottom release method is suitable for cultivation locations with a flat, sandy, and non-muddy seabed. Can next maybe Mr. Fadli will explain about floating raft.
Okay, I will explain about the floating raft. The floating raft is method is carried out by planting seaweed on bamboo raft measuring 2.5 meter to 7 meter. The rafts are secure using anchor to or tied to wooden stack so that they are not carried away by the current. This technique is suitable for shallow water with a depth under around of 60 centimeter. Okay, next. Next is a long line method. The long line method is carried out by tying the seedling to a 25-meter long rope support by two stakes. The rope is marked with string every 25 centimeter and float made by from bottles are attached every 2.5 meter. Next.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Fadri. Let's we got a conclusion here. So, soil cultivation in Indonesia effective because it is supported by suitable water and condition and the availability of superior species such as Kappa picus, Yokohama, and Glaciaria. The application of silviculture engineering helps regulate location selection, planting technique, and water quality management so that growth is faster and harvest are more stable. Each method, long line, off bottom, rough, and net basket, perfect option that can be adapted to local environment conditions. Innovations such as tissue culture, seedlings have for sure increased productivity and made cultivation more sustainable for coastal communities. Next, Mr. Faris. Okay, so here, thank you about the present tense. Thank you everybody. We will close this presentation. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So.